I hope you are doing great. Let me bring you to Twin Falls in Queensland, Australia. It is a 1.5 hours drive from the city of Brisbane. The best place to start the hike is the Tallanbana picnic area, where you can park your vehicle. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, Travel with Sujiva yet, may I suggest subscribing? Don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications of new videos. Did you know? We are in the Springbrook National Park. Spectacular waterfalls, lush rainforest, ancient trees, impressive views, exceptional ecological importance and natural beauty make Springbrook an outstanding place to visit. Springbrook National Park is part of the Gondwana Rainforests of Australia World Heritage Area.
Look like me.
The waterfall. Is this?
I know, it's not the... It's not the waterfall.
Oh, it is not?
Twin Falls Circuit is a 4-kilometre Grade 3 hike, which takes 1.5 hours or so to complete. You are about to reach the destination and see the Twin Falls. In my opinion, the best time to visit is on a rainy day, so you can experience an adventure. Enjoy the spectacular view, my friends. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please stay subscribed, press the bell icon, and see you next time with a new video from anywhere in the world. Did you see an illusion of clouds in the sky? If not, go back 10 to 15 seconds and watch the clouds over the water.
You can take it.